Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to schedule mail in Outlook account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a outlook.com. And press enter, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Outlook login ID and password. At the inbox page of your Outlook account, you need to click on new message. Now here at the empty text field of 2, you need to provide the recipient email address, that is the email address to whom you want to send email to. Here you add a subject. Now at the body section, you type in the message that you want to send to. After you are all done, if you click on send, your mail will be directly sent to the recipient email address. But as we are going to schedule a mail to be forwarded in another date and time, for that you need to click on the drop-down menu beside of send icon. Here you need to click on send later. Now you choose date and time at when you want this mail to be forwarded. Now go for a time, you click on drop-down menu. After you are all done setting your date and time, you click on send. Now that mail has been scheduled to be sent at your date and time. If you want to check the mail, you go to the draft at the left panel. Here you can see this message is scheduled to send on Friday 8:10, 9 o'clock. This mail has been scheduled and it will be forwarded on your setup date and time. This is how you can schedule a mail in Outlook account. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to schedule mail in Outlook account. Thank you.